staying connected to your core and really finding your success from within. Transitions are consistent and they happen all the time. We are in transitions more often than we're not. I believe in reframing it if we can and finding a way through it that feels easier. I think of it like a dance. In dance, I always taught the transition as a main focus, even more so than the steps. It's really important that if you're going to go from your left foot to your right foot, you know where you're going. If you're going to take a step, you have to know which direction you're going in first before you can actually do that. You have to know where your shoulders are going, where your feet are going, where your weight is going to be transferred. All of that has to happen in the transition of one step in between the beats of music. Transitions in life, we get to dance through it. We take a breath and figure out where we're going and what it is we want and why we're doing it. And then we get to step and move and dance. If you're in transition, to move through it more smoothly. It's really about your mindset. When you're going through the stuff, it's about your mindset. I think the scariest part about it is that it's so unknown. This lack of clarity and societal pressure to know everything, where we're going and what we're doing and why, and to have such a complete stance of, oh yeah, I'm confident in everything I do. Quite frankly, it's BS. We have moments where we really do, but we're always trying to evolve, right? Entrepreneurs are continually and constantly trying to evolve. So that's just more transition. The scary part is that it's unknown, but what I want to present is the idea that what if we could own it like we're learning a dance and that it's going to bring us to something beautiful. So just imagine this for a second. So you're in between your steps, right? Just you can see me swaying. But for me to go from my left foot to my right foot, there's so much happening here. My right shoulder, my left shoulder, my head, the weight transfer. I'm going toe heel. I'm going big toe to little toe. So much is happening in that moment. And it feels easy and free. And then we take a bigger step. We try to really move through space. And maybe you don't get it right the first time. But we try again. And we do it again. And you know what? Pretty soon we're dancing. Pretty soon the music takes over, and those transitions, that's just a moment between the beats of music. If you are in transition and you are struggling, just know, as cliche as it is, it passes. There is something on the other side of it for you. And I'm here to help the uncertainty and knowing and having faith that eventually it will come through. And I just look, if you're having a life transition, if you feel one coming on, if you're just getting out of one, whatever that is, we're always somehow touched by transition. Take a deep breath and try to approach it like a dance. Let's do this together.